1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Good morning, guys, from France. I hope you all doing well. We are working on our next food video. It's coming soon. Just now we are having a morning walk. I'm going to run and they're going to walk next to the river. It's a beautiful place. So let's go. Hi guys, my name is Raj. I'm from a small village in India. I drove rickshaw in Jaipur more than 10 years and I loved it. But now I live in France with my wife and 2 kids. How this happened? Follow my story. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Bali is winning. Oh, Tara is winning. Bali is winning. Oh, I'm winning. Hi, say mama hi. Bali, come here. Say mama hi.
Hi! Let's go, Papa!
Let's go, let's go. Tired? You eat strawberry and bread, no? Let's go then. So Bali is the winner! And Tara and Papa lose! Yay! Now you guys go to river with mama and papa go to run, okay? So guys, I'm going to run officially my workout and we're going to hang out in next to the river, throw stone in the water. Yes, go and throw stone in the water. I go to run, bye-bye.
You need a hand, Tara?
No.
Where are you going? Where are you? Hello.
And there's trees on it!
Mm-hmm.
Get out here, Mama!
Yeah, we need to get out of here, yes.
The river's going that way. Now we're trapped, Mama! Where should I go?
Ooh, a bird. Ah, we made it! We did it.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's a ladder. Slide, slide. Okay. Go first, okay? It's a ladder. 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 It's a ladder.
Where are you? Wow! Wow!
I find you, Mama. I find you, Mama.
Here. Guys, we're waiting for Papa, eh? We want to go back because Bali and Tara are hungry. Who's there?
Papa. Papa. Papa's right there. And I'm here. He's right there.
Finish.
You did it, Papa.
Yay! Let's go there.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Wow! And now back. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Bali did it.
Oh.
Yeah. Yay! Bali, high fives. Go back. Ooh, up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You stuck?
No.
Wow, Bali, so strong. Yes. One more. Look it up. Yay! You did it. Now, Papa done.
Okay, you turn.
Papa, not too strong. Bali is too strong. Oh, yeah. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay!
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.